Hey, salam alaikum sharamutas. This is Donna Alotaibi. Don't get me confused with Donna Aloe Vera or Donna Alcaca or Donna... Hello? Shh, solo escucha. Not that one either. This is Donna Alotaibi and I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Dollskill. I have been checking out this website for a long ass motherfucking time. And I was like, you know what, like things are a little bit pricey, but then I found a coupon, so then I used the coupon. So guys, if you want to order from this website, use a coupon. I know there's like a 15% one, and then I know there's a 20% one, so look for the 20% one. Don't be lazy, save some coin. Shit's expensive, yeah, I know, so fucking use the coupon, okay? Oh my god, this video is gonna get demonetized. Wait, cut that part out, cut that part out, cut that part out. I'm gonna like beep it out. Hey Donna, whenever you see this video, beep it out. Okay, continue. So yeah, it's Friday and I was gonna go on a date with this guy. And then I Facebook searched him and then I saw he had a girlfriend or a wife. And I have a habibi, so I was like, you know what, like this is a sign. Like Allah told me, search him. And when I searched him and I saw that he had a habibti, I was like, you know what? I wouldn't want my habibi to do this to me, so I shouldn't do it to his habibti. But then again, my habibi has done this same thing to me, so should I care, should I not care? And I'm like, should I be the bigger person? Should I not be the bigger person? Like I already gained 20 pounds. Should I be even bigger person already? Or is there even a prize for being the bigger person? And then I was like, you know what? I'm kind of like... And then I was like, you know what? In the wise words of I forgot who the fuck said this. I think Michelle Obama said this. Do the right thing, not the best thing. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do the right thing, not the best thing, and I'm not gonna go on a date with him because when I go on a date, I drink, I get horny, and then we need teenage. Plus, he's American, so I was like, you know what? Like, yeah, I probably didn't want to do that anyways. Okay, so yeah, like I said, it's Friday, right? And I was supposed to go on a date. It's the weekend, it's a Sahara. I'm working so hard, guys. So I'm gonna be drinking this, which is my Capri Sun, because it's the weekend and my plans got canceled because I canceled them because I wanted to be the bigger person. And tomorrow's Saturday. Okay, so yeah, like I said, I ordered some stuff from Dollskill. They have, I can't know if it's Dollskills or Dollskill, but now I see it's Dollskill. I don't even know what the heck to call it. Like, I think that's a really confusing name. I feel like there's too many like the opposite consonants. Like, there needs to be more vowels. Okay, so anyways, yeah, so I ordered some stuff. They're really cute, but really pricey. So yeah, use the 20% off coupon. So I already did a video, but like I actually didn't really like it. So I was like, you know what, like since I have a professional camera now and professional lighting, like let me just redo it. You know, I'm not gonna like have a shitty camera and then shitty content. I'm gonna have a good ass camera and I'm gonna try it again until I get it right. So here we go, round 2. I'm gonna be unboxing this video and I'm gonna act hella surprised. Okay, so yeah, I got this box, right? Did I already say about the shipping? Yeah, the shipping was weird. It took a long ass time, but it's here. I'm gonna open it. Oh my god, oh my god, like so excited. Look what the heck I bought. Okay, so the first thing that I got was this t-shirt. It's a size small. It doesn't really look like a small. I didn't really know what size to get, but the girl was wearing a small and I was like, you know what, I can fit it. So yeah, it says pay to play. Honestly, like I'm such a sharamuta. Like it's hard not being sharamuta. Like even when I'm online shopping and I'm not sharamuta anymore, I'm still like, yo, let me do the most sharamuta thing and get these fucking sharamuta clothes. And then I got this calzone, which also says pay to play, you know. No money, no honey. No money, no honey. I don't know why. This is a small. I really do not know why. Like there's no way I clicked small. Like there's no way. But I'm gonna check back because I think they sent me the wrong one. Because there's like, I can see myself getting small from this, but I know this was a whole separate thing. So I think this is supposed to be an extra large because I don't think that will fit me. And then I got this cute ass top. It says this. Even though I'm not this, I don't think I am this. And I know shuramutas who are this, but I don't think I'm this. Although I do like only hands and like other stuff, but I don't think I'm this, because this is like a really high title. Like if you're a shuramuta, like you know, like there's ranks and there's titles and there's like different type of SW workers, S workers, you know, and like spicy stuff. Spicy. So like I'm not this. If anything, I will label myself as an entertainer because I entertain, even if it means showing my kesi or shaking my makwa. I'm not this. This is like a really high title and I would love to be this, but I don't have that much confidence, believe it or not. Yes, I know there's a bunch of shit on me on the internet, but I'm not this yet. I'm definitely not this. Say what you want, I'm not that. And when I'm not saying like this is lower or something, I'm just saying I'm not that. I would like to be that, but I don't have the confidence, and that's just what it is. And I know a lot of stupid asses will be like, yes you are, and I'm gonna tell you, you know what, you don't know anything. And then I got this skirt, and then on the back it says that. Oh my god, I don't even know where the fuck I'm gonna wear that, but I think it's really cute. I love stuff like that. So this is a shirt that I got. I love the Power Puffs, I really do. I've always was like, I don't know which one to be. I wanna be Blossom. Is this Blossom? I always wanted to be her, but she was like a leader. I never wanted to be this ugly hoe right there, like Bubbles. Like I didn't want to be her. I thought she was too like a crybaby, but I was always like a tie between her and Buttercup. Blossom and Buttercup, right? It was like always a tie. I was like, who the heck do I really want to be? Because she was such a badass and she was always like tough, you know. I remember like one time she like almost cried but didn't really cry. And then this girl right here, I just liked her because she was more put together and she was like a leader. And then this hoe was always like crying. So I was like, yeah, it was a tie. And then I don't know if you guys know now, there's like a new Power Puff and she's purple and she's black. But yeah. Yeah, let me like put it down a little bit. There you go. And then last but not least, I got some shoes. I have been taking pole dancing classes and I just love my pole dancing classes. I'm not taking them because I want to dance, although at one point I was dancing. I wasn't really dancing. I was just dancing next to the pole and entertaining people. Like that's what I was doing. I was being an entertainer. So I had like a couple of pairs in DC of my shoes, but I left them all behind and I just sold them to whoever the fuck wanted them because I'm like, hey, I'm probably never gonna have these again. I used to dance and then I gained 20 pounds because like I fell in love and got really comfortable. So then I stopped dancing, I stopped doing all that. But yeah, these shoes here, I love stripper shoes. I really do. I don't work as a dancer, but I would really like to one day again, although I really don't think I ever will. But I do take pole dancing classes and they're so much fun, and you don't wear shoes for them, but every now and then they have like a class where like you do wear shoes, and I have a pair already, but this is my second pair and I would love to wear these, and they're so cute and pink, and like look, they're literally the same shade as my nails. Like I love pink so much. Like I never grew up and like I just love pink. Oh my god, these are pretty cute. I wish I lost 20 pounds. I would be on the pole. I'd be on the pole with you, girl. We'd be making money. We'd be making bank. We'd be scamming these niggas. We'd be taking their money. We'd be taking their EBT cards. But yeah, guys. So, and they do fit. Oh my god, these are everything. This gives me like Nicki Minaj vibes, like hardcore, guys. Like these are everything. Okay, seriously, these are fucking everything, and they're not like so tall. Like, you know, they're so cute. By the pink Lamborghini, just to race with China. real thick vagina. So yeah, okay, let me find the little paper thing because I'm almost sure I didn't put like large, and I'm pretty sure I didn't put small. No. Whoo, no, thong, no. I don't see it on here. I don't see it. Okay, I'll check it out later. No crop top and panty set. What? Why would it be a set? That makes no sense. I'm definitely gonna go to the website and check that. But yeah, guys. So this is it. I love Dollskill. Like, this girl that I know, she just got like this Bratz top and bottom, and it looks so freaking cute. Like, I want to get it so bad, but I'm like, I'm really trying to save money. I know that's really hard, but like, I'm trying to save money, so I don't think I'll get it. But like, yeah, I'm pretty happy with what I got, even though it was like pure shit on what it was. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I really enjoyed to make it. Thank you guys. And if you guys have any tips for me, if you guys want to follow my OnlyHands, it's gonna be on my Instagram, and my Instagram will be down, linked below. Bye guys. Bye shuramutas. Remember, when the sun goes down on my side of town, I get this to love.